Hey guys, how was your last year? Happy New Year! It's almost February, so now it's 27th January, so it's so too late to say the Happy New Year. But Happy New Year! And how was your last year? How was your this year so far? For me, it was some kind of a busy and little stressful year. 2022, and I'm little, the stressful moment. There are a lot of things happens in the last year. I should handle the many bunch of problems, and I should solve this problem. In terms of the pre-production and then production process. Yeah, and this is so tough, but yeah, it sounds good business wise, but yeah, I should get over many things. So yeah, this is my thought for my last year. And the gear wise, I finally got the Orginal 2575. Yeah, this is a monster tripod head, as you know that, and I'm not sure to get this. Should get this one. I'm not sure that kind of things, but every top of game cinematographer uses the Orginal head. So yeah, but I completely understand that why they are using this tripod head. I wanna create this kind of review or thought video for this, Orginal 2575, maybe near future. So yeah, but I got this one. This is my biggest investment last year, and this is just kind of my personal things. But I realized that I little have the unconscious stress and struggles to be in this industry. I completely, face the hard moment, almost depression. So I should get over and to, get out this kind of depression moment. But so I should change my little priority, my final goal, and my, future. I have to think about this kind of things. So I'm talking about these things maybe later, alright? But in this video, I want to share my behind the scenes video, the music video, shooting BTS video, and then this was 2 years ago. Shooting was 2 years ago, a bit old, but yeah. Long story short, there are a lot of things happen. The artist should negotiate the company, blah 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 kind of things happen, and then I cannot share my behind the scenes video to the outside, but it approved to share this kind of video in this channel. So please enjoy this behind the scenes video. Always, every single filmmakers loves the behind the scenes video. So enjoy.
軽いよ。ああいいね。なんかそれ座ってもちょっとなんかさ横にできる。あそうそうそうそう。あいいね。あそれにします。あバッテリーだね。あれ今ランタンのあれ外してる。あ、オッケーオッケー。あ、あれ外してもらって。でさなんかなんていうんだそうそう。フードみたいのって下だよね。割り割り。あれ欲しい。でもう2歩ぐらい前になりますか。おっすおっすおっす。世界観つなげるだからこれでつけ込むこんな感じ。見れる。なんかで DLN の時はこれ後ろクラップ落としてこの前みたいなここの背景があんま分かんないようにして、このライブの時はちょっと空間わざと、見せてちょっとノイズが加わったりして。
明日を一人の人生が世界に影響を与える
でかつせばい叫ぶ声を天井に
これこなす人を愛することを選択してる
最近キリがない過ちは全然
カメラ今ちょっと下なんで、ここをちょっと向けていってもらう感じです。一番前だから、ね、あ、そうです、そこで、はいはい、そこが一番前にしてね。
タトゥーを彫った思えば奇跡的なことが起こったここにお前らと一緒にいる Just now 仲間の意味言葉に乗せる絶望してた俺に会いに来てくれたフレンズさやの気にせず俺らはクルーになった俺は忘れないようにタトゥーを彫った思えば